Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to make pumpkin muffins. So what are we waiting? Let's go! Okay guys, so get a mixing bowl. So we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients starting with, okay, so we're gonna put 2 cups of flour. Okay, next is 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, so next, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Okay, after we put all the dry ingredients, just mix it. Okay, so that's enough. Okay, in the separate bowl, we're gonna mix all the wet ingredients, starting with 1 cup of oil, any kind of oil. Okay, followed by 3 large eggs. And then our main ingredients is pumpkin pure. So this one, we're gonna add this in the wet ingredients. Okay, so next guys, we're just gonna mix this all. Okay, so this is enough. Okay, next guys, we're gonna mix the dry and the wet ingredients. Okay, so this is enough guys. Okay, so next, so get a muffin tray and put all this muffin paper. So we're gonna put this into here. Okay, so already have 6 muffin here. We're just gonna put this in oven. So we're gonna set our oven to 350 for 22 minutes. After 22 minutes, guys, here's all the muffin. I can't wait to taste this.
Let's try these pumpkin muffins.
Yeah.
That's what I
just
understand.
baked it today, and yeah, we're gonna try how's the taste. And
Yeah?
this is my first time to bake pumpkin, like let's see how's the taste in this
Let's see. I like the top. It's very nice.
Yeah, it's soft, no?
They smell nice. Like pumpkin. Wow, your lips.
Okay, let's take a bite.
Let's take a bite. So good.
It's not that sweet, no?
No,
It's
I like it.
yeah, it's just like the sweetness is like
Perfect sweetness.
perfect sweetness.
And I'm a sweet tooth, right, baby?
Yeah, my God, it's really it's really, he loves chocolate. He loves sweet stuff.
I love.
Like very, very, very.
Yeah, I love. But this is perfect. Like it's a great flavor, very light. Very
good.
nice.
It's good to have snacks like this, no? Like yeah.
I love the the top.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
It's very nice.
It's soft inside, no?
It's so gentle. Very gentle, right? It like almost melts in your mouth.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it seems like it's not, like can you taste like the pumpkin on it?
It's very delicate.
Right? Like for the kids, they can eat this one because like they will know what's in it.
No, it's really good. Can I have one more, please?
Of course.
It's really good at Sawako.
Thank you, Bebe.
I love it. It's very good,
Thank you, Bebe.
Thank you for passing me one more.
Welcome.
It's very light. Like
Yep. I really like it.
I really like it. Like I want to eat a couple more. Can I?
Yes, of course.
I love when there's stuff like this at home. Cause like I love this kind of stuff. It's really nice.
Thank you, asawa ko.